Today I'm going to be reviewing GXGGUS's 15-piece Valentine's Day set. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got. So with Valentine's coming up, of course you want to celebrate, or maybe your wife or girlfriend does. You're going to get 30 stakes, very easy to put these in there. You're going to get these double-sided stickers here. You got a couple packs of those. So you can put these on your window if you don't want to use the stakes, and very easily removable. All right, so what do we got here? You Rock, it was made just for me. Sweet, Kiss Me, Only You, Miss You, and Miss Me. She'll never say that for me. All right, we got a couple more in here. Look at that, very nice. I just corrugated nice. I mean, it's definitely tough. We're going to be water resistant. We have any issues. All right, so you get two of these like that. You get one really hard. Happy Valentine's Day. And then for the rest, happy, love, this one, love you, hug me, and hugs and kisses. So you get all of this for your set. These do well on Amazon. 4.9 stars, only 46 reviews. What could you not like? I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.